In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover deleted emails in Hotmail. Losing an important email can be stressful, but the good news is that Hotmail, now known as Outlook.com, usually keeps your deleted messages for a while, so you often can get them back. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and by the end, you'll know exactly what to do whenever you delete something by mistake. First, open your web browser and go to your Outlook or Hotmail inbox. Make sure you're signed into the correct account, especially if you use more than one email address. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your main Outlook dashboard, where you can see your inbox and other folders down the left-hand side. Next, look at the list of folders in that left-hand column and find the one labeled Deleted Items. This is the folder where emails go when you delete them from your inbox or other folders. Click on Deleted Items to open it. It might take a moment to load if you have a lot of messages, so just give it a second. Inside the Deleted Items folder, you'll see all the emails that have been removed recently. These messages are not completely gone yet, they're just stored here temporarily. Take a moment to scroll through the list and locate the email or emails you want to recover. You can also use the search bar at the top if you remember the sender's name, subject, or a keyword from the email. Once you've found the message you want to bring back, move your mouse to the small checkbox next to that email. Click the checkbox to select it. If you need to recover more than one email, just click the checkboxes for each of those messages. Selecting them like this tells Outlook which emails you want to restore. After you've selected the emails, look towards the top of the page for an option that says Restore. Click on Restore. Outlook will then move those selected emails out of deleted items and put them back into their original folder, usually your inbox. To confirm that everything worked, you can go back to your inbox and look for the recovered emails there. If you still don't see what you're looking for, it may have been permanently deleted or removed after the retention period, so it's best to try to restore messages as soon as you realize they're missing.